Imagine a world where AI becomes your personal assistant, not just for chatting, but for managing your digital life. That's the vision Thomas Paul Mann, CEO of Raycast, has for the future of AI apps. Raycast is an innovative app that aims to revolutionize how we interact with our devices and data. It's not just another chatbot, it's an all-in-one solution that can launch apps, search your computer, take notes, and even talk to AI models like ChatGPT. But here's where it gets controversial. Raycast wants to replace your Mac's Spotlight and PC's Start menu, giving it unprecedented access to your system. In this episode of the Vergecast, Mann shares his ambitious plans for Raycast and AI integration. He believes Raycast can help users create, manage, and organize files effortlessly, and even operate within any installed app. It's like having a personal assistant who can navigate your computer better than you. But this raises important questions. Are we ready to trust AI with such control over our devices? After all, AI agents have a history of making mistakes and hallucinations. How reliable can they be when given access to our local files? And if this technology becomes a reality, how will we, as users, adapt to it? Mann has some intriguing answers and thought-provoking questions of his own. If you're curious about the future of AI and its potential impact on our daily lives, this episode is a must-listen. Don't miss out on the fascinating discussion and the chance to explore the links provided for a deeper dive into the topic. Remember, the future of AI is not just about what it can do, but how we choose to use it.